Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a game that you can use to decompose the number 10. We'll be using a 10 frame. You're familiar with this. 10 frame has 5 squares on the top, 5 squares on the bottom, and we use it for counting and for figuring out tens and teens and things like that. So you're going to start with a 10 frame. I'm going to show you a couple other ways to do your 10 frame, but for now, just to show you the game, I'm going to show you it on a whiteboard, and also you could do the same exact thing I'm doing on paper. You're going to need either magnetic counters that will fit in your 10 frame, or if you're on a piece of paper, you can use bottle caps or pasta or whatever. You can also just use 2 different color markers on your whiteboard if you have a whiteboard on your piece of paper. And you need a deck of playing cards. If you don't have a deck of playing cards, that's okay. You just need to make pieces of paper with the number 0 through 10. So each card will have its own number. So 0, 1, 2, kind of like with the cards. Using the cards, I'm using the Joker for the 0 and the Ace for the 1. If you don't have the Jokers, you can use a King or a Queen or something like that, something different. So anyway, so you're going to have all your cards. You take them and you shuffle them up. And then you put them down, you pick the top one. Like this. Okay, so I picked 4. I'll put 4 right here. And it's going to fall, so I'll put it right there. There we go. So for 4, that's our first number. So we're going to take one of our colors and we're going to fill in the first 4 squares of the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to write it here in the first spot because it's our first number. So to find our second number, all we need to do is count the remaining squares because we are only trying to find what makes 10. So 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. So that's one kind of 10 frame you can use. Let me show you a couple others. Hold on. You could use an egg carton. I only have the clear kind, but it works to make a 10 frame. We cut off the top, save that because you could use it for something else, okay, for another part of the game actually. It works pretty good for. And then you're going to cut off, which I already did here to save some time, the last 2 pieces so that you have 10, because we know there's 12 in a dozen eggs. So save that. You can use that for something else too. Okay, so now you have your 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And using the same card as we did before, which was 4, you're going to take, look, you can use your top for your counters. You're going to take 4 counters and put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Ooh, jiggly. Okay, so then you can put the other 6. You can either just count them, or you can just put in 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's another way to make 10 frames. I have one more. Hold on. You could also mark off 10 squares on a tile floor and use the rest of the cards, the ones you're not using for the game, to mark off your spaces. So that's another way. So those are the different games. I hope you liked them. But you know what? What about this thing? Let me show you what I did. I took a piece of paper and I cut out a couple of circles. And then I got some tape and I drew on the circles a little bit. I'll show you when I do. And I stuck them right on here on that. And then I have some googly eyes. See that? At least you have something else to do with this piece. You can even, if you want to, if you have it, you can use a pen, you can use a pencil, you can use I'm using chopsticks because I happen to have them. just a little fun thing to do. See you guys later.